Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to delete your Airbnb account. So first we're going to go to the Airbnb app. You guys can find it in the Play Store or App Store. Then once you're here, you're going to click on the profile section on the lower right corner. Then you're going to scroll downwards and click on account settings. Then once you're here, you're going to click on login and security. So here there is the part where it says deactivate your account. So this is where you delete your account. You're going to click it. Then they're going to make you choose. You guys could choose either of the three. Then once you're done, you're going to click on continue. So then they're going to confirm the deletion of your account. So this is how you basically do it. Make sure to also check our other videos. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.